Thank you so much, Randy. Well, recently there's been a wave of reform and research when it comes to violent crime, policing policies, and how 911 calls are handled. Forward Through Ferguson is an initiative taking a deep look into St. Louis's 911 system and how it could be changed to better serve those on the line. Jolly-Ann Yang, Director of Storytelling and Communications, joins us now live with a look into that initiative. Welcome.
Thank you, Blair.
So, Jai, first off, tell me a little bit about what you guys have done so far to look into the 911 system and some of the issues that there might be with it.
Well, what's really exciting is that we have some unique original research that's never been done before. So what we know, a lot of people might call 911, they might be put on hold or 911 might hang up on them. That's not really what people want when they're calling for help. And so what we did is we analyzed over 1.7 million 911 calls made to St. Louis County Police Department. And we partnered with a firm called Datalytics to get these new original findings. And what we really found is that most of the time when people call for help, they're calling for a service and they're calling for medical reasons. And so those are the biggest categories of reasons why St. Louisans call 911.
Okay. And so tell me a little bit about the research moving forward and the events that you guys have lined up to continue to find some solutions and improvements to these issues.
So you can visit transforming911.org to get a sneak peek at that original research. You can learn about how fragmented and inefficient the system is. So a lot of people, again, when they call 911, they don't know what's happening on the other line. You can go to transforming911.org. We've got an amazing explainer video right on the homepage to learn about how 911 works in St. Louis. And you can also learn about what that means for budgets. Where should we put our priorities? Right now, a lot of our budgets are going towards policing, but we're saying that we need to kind of shift the proportion more to health and human services because, again, people are calling for service and medical reasons.
Okay, and people are already sometimes hesitant to call 911 in the first place, so it's very crucial, I'm thinking, for you guys to improve this all.
Yes, there's a lot of distrust in the system, and that comes from the perception of what happens when you call 911. Essentially, 911 equals an armed police officer coming to your home, but a lot of the times that's not what residents need. Residents need people to connect them to services. They might need a wellness check on a loved one. They might need something like socks or someone to care about their situation.
Okay, well, thank you so much for joining us with that very crucial information. Before we wrap up, give us that website again where we can look more deeply into that information you guys have and look forward to the information you continue to gather.
You can learn more at transforming911.org. We'll have community events going from August to October 2022.
All right, awesome. Jai, thank you so much for joining us. If you guys would like that information again and to learn more about this, we will have a link for you on our website, fox2now.com. We'll be right back after this. Stick with us.